'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. You know, I never thought I had much of a voice, and maybe I still don't, but it doesn't matter. I'm having fun. So listen, it's also the season to probably get colds and flus, coughs, runny nose, stuffy nose, all that stuff. So tonight, my new tripod and I are going to share with you how to make homemade cough syrup using essential oils. All right, I prefer the doTERRA, although I do have a bottle of Young Living here. So let's rock and roll. Let me angle the camera down. And first of all, before I do that, I'm going to show you what I have. I've got, this is not for vegans. So if you're vegan, you may want to cut me off right now, brothers and sisters. This is bee pollen. I got it at the local farmer's market. It's from Temecula Valley, which is not far from where I live. This is raw organic, I think it's blackberry honey from Susie's Bees or something like that at the Idlewild Farmers Market. And then I have all my oils. I have frankincense, lavender, lemon oil, peppermint, and then I have the clove from Young Living, and then I have wild orange and cassia. The one doTERRA oil that I do not have is cinnamon, but that's okay. I have organic fresh cinnamon, or yeah, organic fresh. And then I have my little jar, my little empty jar, which I'm gonna mix it up and then put it in the jar. So let me just angle the camera now and see what I can do here without busting anything again. So I think that's okay. And if it's not, we'll rearrange. So first of all, I need a half a cup of honey. So that would be, nope. Hold on, I'm still here. This is a half a cup. So I'm not gonna measure it because it's gonna be, truth be told, I'm too damn lazy to wash this little freaking cup. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. And because I've got sufficient experience in the kitchen, I'm gonna just kind of wing it here. So to me, that looks like about a half a cup. Yeah, maybe a little more. Okay, so, and then, because I can, I'm going to smush that off with my finger like that. Oh yeah, brother. That's really good. Kind of lick that off. And then this particular recipe, that I got from my daughter, Monica Little, who's also doTERRA distributor, essential oils. It does not call for the bee pollen, but I'm going to add it anyway because it's an added health benefit. So I did a teeny bit of research, and I'm going to probably do about, I don't know, maybe actually I'm going to do more. About a half a teaspoon, okay? Yeah. Look at how cute that looks. Also, if you're allergic to bees, you don't want to do this. I will not be responsible for your allergic reaction. Fair warning. Okay, so let me add the drops before I get too kooky here. So it's going to be 8 drops of frankincense. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was probably about 8.5. And then 8 of lavender. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's about 8.5. Excuse me. And lemon. Good. That was 8. And by the way, my grandma Celia, and then 8 of peppermint. Come on, peppermint. There, it's a little slower, which tells me it's just a little thicker. I think that's about 8. And then I just noticed one of my hairs up here, so let me pull that down before it ends up in the cough syrup. That would not be cool. This is actually, did I tell you, I'm making cough syrup here. This is cough syrup. And then 3 drops of clove. But I started to tell you that when we were children and we had ailments, like a cold or a cough or a sore throat, this is wild orange, so 3 of this. My grandmother and my mom used to make homemade cough syrup and remedies, and all they used was literally honey and lemon. 3 drops of this. This one's really slow. Oh, this is the cassia. Okay, so 3.5. And then I don't have 1 drop of essential oil, so I'm gonna put a few sprinkles of the organic, it's not gonna hurt, like the organic cinnamon. So there, that was very easy. Have all my ingredients in there. Now I'm gonna use a skinny knife, like a little flat butter knife, and I'm just gonna mix it up gently. Look at that. Actually, it looks very yummy. But anyway, when my grandmother and my mom made us homemade cough syrup and ailments for for a sore throat, they used natural ingredients. And 2 of the ingredients were just literally lemon and honey. I don't know if your mom did that, but that's what my grandma did and my mother. And I really liked it because my mom would just grind or juice the lemon, and the rind would be in it. And then I'd get a nice chunk of rind when she gave me a tablespoon of the cough syrup or the throat syrup. It was really good. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a little taste here. Wow, this is a long video already. I've been screwing around, y'all. Sorry about that. Well, you know what? Let's do this. I'm just gonna taste that. Oh boy. Wow. That's really good. It definitely tastes medicinal. Medicinal, like, has healthy healing properties. And so that was really simple. So now here's probably kind of the messier part. Let me angle this again. I got a new tripod finally, so I'm still kind of figuring it out. All right, so this is the challenging part because now I got to take it and with my trusty spatula here, rubber spatula, and then I'm going to just gently, without trying to spill any, avoiding spillage, I'm going to scoop it in the jar. And this is going to be the storage container. And I don't even know how long it lasts. I would imagine it probably lasts for a while. Because you can keep honey in your cabinet, just in a dark cabinet at room temperature, and that lasts for a while. And the bee pollen as well. So I don't know why you couldn't do this. And this actually is a lot, but guess it'll probably last a while. So hold on, if you would. Don't go away. I'm going to put this in the sink. So there, look. Look how easy that was. Let me get a spoon. Stay there 1 second, please. I'm going to grab a little spoon and show you. Look at that. Ah, lovely. So, it says I think the recipe, the cough syrup recipe called for like a teaspoon 3 times a day or as needed. I'm just going to have a little spoon like this because I just want to taste it. I want to taste it. Wow. I could lick that forever. It's really good. All right, so there you have it. Homemade cough syrup without any toxic chemicals, additives, white sugar. It's very healthy, very beneficial for the body. Let's see. Honey and bee pollen help ward off infections. Also boost immunity. They are antioxidants. And of course, because of the natural sugar in the honey, it energizes you. So you might want to give some to the kids right before bed. Actually, apparently it helps you sleep well too. And I did a little bit of research, and I checked out Dr. Axe's information on the benefits of honey, and that's what I found out. The other thing too is that you can use honey as a facial cleanser. Like if you have acne, and what you do basically is you just kind of take the honey and you cover your face in it, and you slather your face in it, and you let it sit for a little while, and then you have somebody lick it off. Actually, no, you don't. Yeah, maybe your cat or the dog. That would be really funny. But no, and then you use it as a cleanser for the face, and it also assists in exfoliating the dead skin from the body. You can use it in the bathtub. Honey, I thought about that. The recipe called for 2 cups of honey in the bathtub, and the last 15 minutes you added, I think it was like a cup of baking soda. And I kind of thought that was pretty funny. It's almost like human stew in the bathtub with honey. But anyway, there you have it. A jar of homemade, beautiful, natural, healthy, organic, therapeutic grade essential oils for cough medicine. All right? Or cough syrup. So be curious, give it a shot. This is better for the children and you than anything else on the market out there that you buy at all the nasty drugstores. Until we meet again, stay tuned because my next recipe is jackfruit tacos. That's for you, Bonnie. All right, and Michelle. All right, talk to you soon. Adios.